Do you want to become a forex trader and you don't know where to start? Or you want to link your broker to MetaTrader 5 and you are having issue with it? If that is the case, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a forex broker account, how to link it to MetaTrader 5, and how to execute a trade. If this is what you want, make sure you watch this video to the end so you can be able to grab everything needed. So without further ado, let's jump in. But before we do, make sure you click the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends so you can be able to get notified whenever I make a new video like this. Without further ado, let's jump in. What is a forex broker? A forex broker is a financial service company that provides traders with access to a platform for buying and selling foreign currencies. Is forex broker necessary to start forex trading? Yes. This forex broker provides you the platform that is necessary for you to start executing your trade. So without forex broker, you can do nothing in forex trading. So now, how do you set up the forex broker account and which forex broker should you use? I've been trading forex for years. I've tried more than 10 forex brokers, and I can say with confidence that XLS is the best forex broker for beginners. Why do I recommend XLS? They have the highest leverage in the market, they have instant deposit and withdrawal, they have a wide variety of payment system with zero commission, no help center for newbies and experienced traders. Trust me, I've been using XLS for more than 2 years now and I have never had issue with them. It is simple and friendly to start using. To start trading using XLS, you have to create a valid and verified XLS account. This is very simple and I will take you through this step quickly. The first step is to click the link below this video. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Okay, so once you click the link, it will take you to Play Store. You download this app. After downloading it, just open it and sign up with your email address and password. Please use a valid email address that you can confirm, because if you don't confirm your email address, you will have issue when making a deposit or when making a withdrawal. So after creating an account, the next step is to verify your account. Click the profile button and you see verification processes. This verification process is just confirm your email address and add your national ID card, maybe your NIN, your voters card, permanent voters card, or your ID card. Any national ID card you have, you can use it to do your verification. Please, this verification is very important, because without this verification, this broker won't allow you to trade. Okay, so once you are done with this verification, the next step is to make a deposit or use the demo trade account and link it to MetaTrader 5 and start trading. It is very easy, and I'm going to bring my phone now to take you through the step. Remember, we have created an account using the link below this video and we have done our KYC verification. The next step now is to trade and link it to MetaTrader 5. Stay with us, let's see how to do it. After creating excellence accounts, the next step is to start trading. If you want to use a demo account, you can link it to MetaTrader 5 immediately and start trading. If you want to trade with real money, you can make a deposit and start trading. Now, I'm going to open my XLS account to show you how to use demo account and link it to MetaTrader 5. My XLS account. Now, here is it. I have cleared everything in my account because I want to start afresh and show you guys how to do it. Okay, so once you create a new account, this is how your account will look exactly. And if you come to the profile page, you will see everything. You will see your balance, you will see your balance, and you see if you have done a verification. Remember, we have done our verification and our account is verification completed. Okay, so now the next step is to come to account, and if you want to use demo account, click this button here. Now click it and you see demo. You click demo and you click this plus button. Now you select demo account, then leave it this way and click continue. Like I told you before, XLS will give you the highest leverage. Okay, so if you want to name your account, you can simply name it demo account. Now you can click continue. Please, this password you put now is very necessary. It is very important if you want to link it to MetaTrader 5, because we are going to be using MetaTrader 5 to start trading. Please put a password that you can remember. Okay, so I will simply put
password like Merige, then I'll put 1 2 3 4 and I'll put dollars. This one is okay. So I'll just click it and copy it because we need to remember it. So now you open the account. Now if you click this button here and you go to demo, you see the demo account that we just created. Now if you want to add money to demo account, we can simply click deposit and you click, for instance, if I want to start with $500, I will say $500 and click continue successfully. Now our deposit is credited immediately. This is the $500 that we have just added to our demo account. Now if you want to link this demo account to MetaTrader 5, because on this MetaTrader 5 is the place where you can start trading. You cannot execute your trade on this XLS. XLS is simply a broker and you need a trading platform. So now we are going to go to details and you go to setting. Now this is the things you need here. You need your login, your saver, and remember the password we just created. Now I'm going to copy my login and I'm going to copy my saver. Now I open MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5 accounts. If you don't have it, make sure I'll drop a link in the description of this video so you can be able to download it, or you go to any app downloader you have and search for MetaTrader 5. Please don't download the wrong one. Now remember the saver we copied from this XLS. If you paste the saver, now XLS will appear immediately. Now select XLS and now put your login. If you can't remember your login, simply go back and copy your login. Now paste your login and remember the password we created earlier. Thank God I copied it. After everything, if you follow the procedure correctly, your account will look this way. Please, if you have any issue regarding the process, make sure you drop it in the comment box or join our community and ask question there. Now this is the 500 USD that we deposited in this demo account. Now if you want to start using it to trade, come to the quote button and you will see a lot of currencies. If you want to remove some currencies, you have this pencil button and we have the plus button. Now you click the pencil button. Now you can delete some currency you don't need, like BTC, this thing. Just delete a lot of them. After deleting it, we need BTC USD and we don't need this one, we don't need this one. After everything, you click delete. If you want to add, you can add. You click XAU USD, XAU USD, that is good. You can also add USD JPY or any other currency you need. For now we just need these three. Now if you want to start executing a trade, it is simple. If you want to use BTC USD gold or USD JPY, let's start with BTC USD. You click BTC USD and click chart. If you look here, you can see this is the 1 hour time frame, and if you want to change to another time frame like 5 minutes time frame, just click anywhere on this chart. You see 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame. If you want to go for 4 hours time frame, you go for this. If you want to go for 1 day time frame, it is simple. The navigation is very simple, easy and soft. Now if you want to execute a trade fast, so you have to use this button here. This is the button you use to execute a trade. Now you draw it where you want to. If you want to buy, assuming we want to buy BTC USD, we can drop it here and click the stop loss and set our stop loss where we want it to be. And now click the TP button and drop it where we want it to be. This is it. So after everything, use this arrow button to edit something you want to edit. As you can see from this page, we are buying this currency and the lot size we are using is 0.01, and this is our entry price, our TP and our stop loss. Now if everything is fine for you, just click place. Now our order have been done. You click done, and if you come to this trade button, you see the trade and that we just placed. Okay, now this trade has not triggered, that is why it is like this. And if you want to delete it, you swipe it like this and click this. Okay, delete order, delete. Our order is deleted successfully. If you want to create instant order, you click this button here and this will appear, buy and sell. Okay, sorry, sell and buy. Okay, so if you want to buy BTC currently, now just click buy. If this is your first time using this MetaTrader 5, you have to read their terms and condition and accept and click OK. Now click buy again and you see our buy order is executed already. So if you come to trade button, you see we are down on 0 minus 0.1. This is it. Okay, this is very simple. And if you want to delete it as well, you can just swipe it and click delete. Okay, you can see our balance have been minus 0.0.01 down. That is so. Okay, so that is how to link it and start trading. Remember, we didn't do any technical analysis here. All we just do here is how to link it and how to start trading. But if you want to use real accounts, you can simply do it the same way.
If you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment box. I'm J. I want to teach people how to trade Forex because I've been trading Forex for over 5 years now. I have a lot of experience and I want to share my experience with beginners. Okay, so if you want to be among those that will be learning Forex from me, make sure you subscribe to this channel and join my community using the link in the description of this video so we learn Forex together. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. For now, goodbye, good luck.